Noah, what you doing? You playing on your race car mat? Do you know where our house is? Is that our house?
Mm-hmm. That's our house.
Our house isn't blue. Where's our house?
I don't see our house.
I think our house is under the spider.
Huh? Yeah.
That's our house.
It's under the spider, I think.
Yeah. Do you like your birthday present?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.